And please watch your children. Please take small children by the hand. Watch your step on the moving platform. The platform is moving at the same speed as your time machine vehicle. Take small children by the hand. Watch your step on the moving platform. Before the time machine vehicle proceeds to level inside the vehicle. And please watch your children. The sliding doors in your time machine close automatically. It will say, "Remain seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the vehicle." And please watch your children. The sliding doors on your time machine close automatically. For your safety, remain seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the vehicle. Please
Slow moving journey. Your time machine will slowly rotate back and then stop momentarily. For your safety, remain seated at all times. During your slow moving journey, your time machine will slowly rotate back and then stop momentarily.
Welcome aboard. On the map in front of you, sure shows where you're from, but we do put your time travel coordinates.
Remember how easy it was to learn your ABCs? Thank the Phoenicians. They invented them.
materia angeht, ist
Wie genau ist der Spektakel?
Quale il tuo?
Ma che per comandante
Great library of Alexandria in Egypt is burned. Much of our learning is destroyed, lost forever. All so It turns out there are copies of some of these books in the libraries of the Middle East, being watched over by Arab and Jewish scholars. The first backup system. The books are saved, and with them our dreams of the future.
Now connected from the Atlantic to the Pacific.
Dateline Berlin. Against all odds, America's Jesse Owens has won 4 gold medals. And the hardball crowd here in the 1980s.
Very large, very expensive computers, but which years of time travel, here we are, a truly global community, poised to shape the future of this, our spaceship Earth.
Please remain seated, time travelers. Attention, travelers. Please remain seated. Your time machine is rotating backward for your return to Earth. In preparation for your return to Earth, your time machine is now rotating backward. Please remain seated. Attention, travelers.
For the first time in history, all of us can have a say about the kind of world we want to live in. The choices we have made for the past 30,000 years have been inventing the future one day at a time. And now, it's your turn. Let's have some fun creating the future, shall we? On your computer screen, answer a few questions for us. Then we'll show you a new world, custom made just for you. Ready? Well done. Now, along with your answers, let's add in some amazing new technology that we happen to know about. Well done. Now, along with your answers, let's add in some amazing new technology that we happen to know about. And now I believe your future is just about ready. Let's take a look, shall we?
Welcome to the future. Or should I say, your future. Thanks to you, the color of the future is green.
Staying healthy is as
Your
easy as
pedal-powered bike requires no fuel, and your green home conserves and generates its own energy.
filled with vitamins. After scanning your body with light waves, it sends
Your garden is filled with fruits and vegetables, grown with recycled water or distilled seawater.
and now you're ready to
Your
start
green
your
home
healthy
will have its
day.
own water recycling system, and the walls will be built of natural materials like pine, wood, rocks, which also provide direct insulation for low energy consumption.
Making sure you get the ultimate workout.
Without sacrificing your comfort, your living room is an actual living room. Green grass providing a natural carpet. And the mountains are never far away. Thanks to digital displays that can create the environment that you prefer.
So take a leap into the future.
You can live the good life and the green life in your home in the country. Because in the future, every day is Earth Day. The end. Or should I say the beginning of your future.
So here's to the next 30,000 years on Spaceship Earth. While no one knows for sure what we'll see or do, I do know it will be quite an adventure. An adventure that will take and make to
Welcome back, time travelers. Now, we invite you to visit Project Tomorrow.